welcome to Make Money on YouTube Without Making Videos, Affiliate Tube Success Academy Video Upload Checklist. Now in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can actually get your videos to the front page of Google, YouTube, and Google Carousel within mere minutes, unlimited time, and for free using this very special tool from Paul Murphy's Affiliate Tube Success Academy. Now, this checklist is probably the backbone to his whole course. Now, I'm going to show you some examples of how powerful it is. Then in a moment, I'm going to put a couple links in the screen and also in the description box that will allow you access to this checklist and actually put this, incorporate this into your business plan immediately. And also, I'm going to put another link of how you can actually take advantage of Paul Murphy's 24-hour ranking system on Google, where you can actually place your ads, like he says 24 hours, but I can tell you, I'm going to show you examples how you can do it in less than 10 minutes. You ever wonder why, when you're doing affiliate marketing or if you're doing some e-commerce, whether it be a product or a service, how people can get consistently at the front page of Google, YouTube, and the Google Carousel when you look for your ads or your videos and they're maybe on page 3, 4, or 5. And you know what? I hate to break this to you, but if you're down in anything less than the first page, you might as well be on the last page, because rarely, statistics show that people typically make their mind up on the first page, and sometimes only on the first 5 or 6 rankings. And you can see here that I've been able to get constant rankings on the front page of Google. And right here, I've do is put in make money on YouTube without making videos. And all of a sudden, boom, I've got the whole page. Then you go to the videos part of the same page. And once again, I basically have the whole page locked up. And if you go over to YouTube, you can actually see that this ad is being paid for. Then the rest of it is me. These are all free. These are all done within minutes. And I'm going to show you an example in half a moment here. And you know, you can do this as many times as you want for your business, whether you do affiliate or whether you do a product or a service. Now, this is really powerful because I'm number one on the organic or the free. Now, there's one ahead of me. So with this search, there must be money to be made, or people wouldn't be paying between $1 and $2 a click to have their ads placed in front. Now, it's not, you don't have to be a brain surgeon to figure out that if someone's getting 10 clicks a day at $1.50 a click at 30 days in a month, that's $400 that one is paying for one ad. I am paying nothing for any of these ads. Now, you can come and see over here as well is, I'm ranking number one right throughout in the first page here, throughout the first page here, and also the first page here. Now, I want to stop it right there and show you that Google they've changed the philosophies a little bit, where it used to be that you would have the carousel going left to right, and now you'll notice that the carousel is going vertically. Now, this works better for you, and the reason that is Google is now showing that if you want to rank, videos are what's ranking, not websites, and definitely nothing else. It's going to be videos and podcasts. It's nice to have a website, but it's really something that they're not magnetized to. Let's face it, if you're like me, first thing you do is you're going to go and see, well, this looks kind of cool, the pink or whatever, or this, and you click it and you watch it. You won't come down to a website first. You'll typically go to a video first. And that's what makes it so powerful using videos. And using videos, only a handful of them are needed to make this work effectively with Paul Murphy's system. Now, I mentioned before, as I'm going to put the 24-hour ranking system down, and I mentioned it's pretty powerful because, first of all, he shows you how you don't need a lot of subscribers. In fact, when I'm doing this video here, I only have 71 subscribers. I'm really not interested in subscribers, because what I'm interested in is having bona fide red hot buyers coming to my site here that are basically searching on the #1 platform in the world, and they're searching for my product. Now, you can do this for your product too if you're going to be doing like e-commerce. I did Shopify a couple of years ago and sold some product. However, I had just enough month at the end of the money. I was never really making money on that. And what I noticed is I was never head and shoulders above the crowd until I met Paul Murphy in his course. In fact, I was so blown away by the ranking of it, I started to actually market the product as an affiliate person. And I just find that this would work for you or for anyone. Now, once again, you need very few subscribers. Now, if you're going to do AdSense or you're going to get paid ads, yeah, you need like thousands of subscribers, and you need hundreds of hours of viewing. Here, you're not doing ads here. You're selling a product right from your channel, so you don't need a lot of subscribers. If you get 10 subscribers and 5 of them are bona fide red hot buyers, you're making money. Now, how does that do? Like, how do you do this? Well, this is the checklist I talked about that I've got in my thumbnail, and also that what Paul is actually giving away if you just hit the download and hit the site. And basically what he talks about is how to organize your videos, and you only need a handful of them, what you have to do when you upload them within 24 hours, and how you nurture and grow it like roses in the garden over a period of time, so it optimizes everything. It gets out to a ton of people, stays ranked very high for a long period of time, and basically, based on his results and the results I'm getting, makes you money. Now, I want to show you this part here, and that is one of my very first rankings that I did using Paul's system. And, get this, I'm not bright when it comes to technology. I just know enough just to be dangerous. So I didn't want to recreate the wheel. All I did was follow his steps. And what I got was results like first page of YouTube ranking, first page of the Google ranking, and the #1 position on the old carousel. Now, once again, this is a little older, but I want to show you that literally immediately I had it all done. And he was talking 24 hours. I did it in under 3 minutes. In fact, when you look at this and you look at the YouTube, I did it. It was placed in 2 minutes. #1. My other video it bumped my other video. And so I was, at this point, in the process of strangling this whole page. I did it with no views. And once again, I did it with only, well, it wasn't even that. It was about 40 subscribers at the time. But what I did do is I used this. This is absolute key. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the link in the description box right now. And what it's going to do, it's going to come to this. All you do is go to the download checklist, put in your name and the best email for you. Then it'll be sent right out to you. And also there'll be another link where you can actually get his 24-hour ranking system, which is just as powerful. Both are free. Both will accelerate your business for 2021, because we just want to forget about 2020. I mean, I do. If you're like me, it was just not a good year. So the question that he comes up with, and I've actually written down, it's like knowing you have a system where you have zero chance of losing and of failing, where you're not putting virtually a lot of money up front, unlike you are with e-commerce or any of these other things. You're betting the farm up front. With this process, you're not. So if you were to have a system where you could have zero chance of losing, would you actually check out these 2 links and see if this would make a difference for your business? I mean, all you need is, 30 minutes to an hour to watch both videos in total, today or tomorrow. Then you can be the judge if this makes sense for you or not. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video and found it informative. And I would suggest just hit the link and take a couple of minutes out, and you be the judge today or tomorrow and see if it makes sense for your business or not. Until then, please hit the like button, subscribe button so you won't miss another one of my videos, and we will see you soon. Have a great day.